Hello.
A video too right next to me.
Say
hello.
hello.
Alitopia.
I haven't been posting for a while because I couldn't think of any YouTube things.
Same.
You should subscribe to Millie's channel.
You all. But whoever subscribed to me, subscribe to Alitopia.
And you have to comment down below what you want me to do. The pizza challenge I won last time. I didn't video it though for my YouTube channel because that was before I had the channel.
Anything you tell me, I will do.
I'll do the pizza challenge.
Smoothie challenge.
Pizza challenge.
Smoothie challenge.
For you.
Any video we will do.
And then I'll do a pizza challenge if you want me to.
We won't always do the videos
The cooking
together.
challenge.
Most of the videos we will not do together,
And we will be doing play challenge where you just hang out with my brother. He's born there. We can play Roblox and everything.
Yeah, we will literally do anything for you guys. So comment down below what you want us to do. Our next video, we promise we'll pick one of them and we'll do it.
Yeah, and we'll give you a shout out.
We will get through every single one of you, and we'll make sure you get a shout out every single one.
Team Alitopia. Then you get
Millie. Woo!
Yeah, and put the thing what you want us to do. And we'll give you a shout out with that if you put
when we get more subscribers, like a lot more subscribers.
If I get to 100 subscribers, I will do
If I get to 100
I'll make something for you, or I will do something for you.
Like if we get to 10 subscribers, which is actually quite a lot for me because I don't know a lot of people. But if we get to 10
subscribers because that was my family.
Ended. Ooh. Actually, talking in my video. I'm going to do my video again though.
Okay. That means we can do something if you want, but you put Team Alitopia. It's the best.
Except for mine's better.
And Millie wants you to subscribe because she already got 2 subscribers from her family.
Says her.
I got 4.
Yeah, everyone's your family except for me.
Yeah, 3 people are from my family and 1 from Millie. You're wondering what's on my hand? It's just a thing what I popped. It had slime in it. What do you want us to do? Comment down below.
Welcome back to my channel.
Alitopia.
I'm joking. Still me. So, today I'm joined by a very special guest, not him. He's just
I'm joined with a special guest called Millie.
This
you
is
already know.
Alitopia. She's doing a video too now.
Millie's just pulling me across the room.
I haven't posted it in a while.
I'm going to do Sims.
Oh, wow.
I'll do Sims 3, Sims 4 and everything.
What you want me to do? Anything. Literally anything.
I have Sims 3.
No one cares what Sims you have.
4. I can play that.
Comment down below what you want me to do. I will do anything. Smoothie challenge, pizza challenge, anything.
And when Millie sleeps over,
if we get to 10 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. Yes, giveaways. Everyone loves them. Yeah.
Millie doesn't know what she's giving away.
Yeah, I have no idea what I might be giving away. We will do a special video, a funny video, and a giveaway if we get to 10 subscribers. Sound good?
Truth or dare. Do anything you want.
Sorry, I didn't do my intro today, but
if you do that,
next video we will have an intro.
Team Alitopia and
love
Team
you guys all so
Millie.
much. Love you. Do you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Millie. Bye.